Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can make a secret chat with someone on Telegram. Alright, find someone in your contacts that you would like to have a secret chat with, and for example, I'm just going to select my friend here and visit the profile and select more, and you can click start secret chat. Just click start. Alright, the secret chat room has been created. You just have to wait for your friend to be active. So with this picture let's not trace on our servers and have a self-destruct timer done low already. Alright, that's how you can make a secret chat with someone on Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.